minimum number of vertex possible in a simple graph if 41 edges, so 2 into 41 and degree of at most 5, तो at most 5 मतलब 5 into that is a always 5 into v, तो 41 to 82 divided by 5 is greater than equal to v, means 82 to by 5 कितना हो गया 5, 5 बन जा 5, 5 16 पॉइंट समथिंग, तो एटमोस्ट में क्या होगा एटमोस्ट 5 हो सकता है, मीन्स क्या होगा 17. इन दिस केस, in the case of at most we take the maximum value, in the case of minimum at least either minimum we take the minimum value, minimum the minimum value, maximum the maximum value. Always this is a very important property, and students are many times student confusion this time, either the answer is 16 or 17. If you see the at most 5 at most, then you see the answer must be there in the maximum. Next is काम चल रहा, मम्मी से ले लो बेटा, गुल्लू जा बेटा ना. Which of the following degree sequence represent, दे देगी मम्मी, इनका इसको अपना फोन दे दो. Which of the following degree sequence represent a simple non-directed graph? In this case, how we check the this sequence is valid or not? So many times we solve this type of question by using the Havel-Hesky theorem. We see the in the next slide, but here we see the some other combination by using. If you want to if we don't want to use the theorem, then how we solve some question by using some tricky. Let's suppose in this 2 degree sequence is 2 3 3 4 4 5, then it is a valid sequence or not. First thing, for to check this type of question, first you see first you work it, first you add up all the degree sequence. If it is becomes if the result is odd, then it is always invalid. Then first you check 2 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 5 21, then it must be invalid. And second is 5 plus 4 9 plus 13 16 to 18, 18, it is somehow it is a valid, and is a 339 plus 10, it is a valid. Second we check the other property. Second we check the other property, either it is combination is possible or not. Let's suppose in this case degree of 3 vertices is 3 and there are total 4 vertices, so this graph is possible or not? It is graph possible or not with the 3 vertex of degree 3 and 1 vertex of degree 1. By using 4, it is never it is possible, because in the 4 vertex max only 1 or 2, maximum 2 vertex have the same degree, but in this case there are 3 vertex, so it is not possible. So it is not possible. So in this case it is a possible. In this case this is correct answer. And another Havel-Hesky theorem says, let's suppose by using Havel-Hesky theorem, तो the Havel-Askew theorem says is an algorithm in a graph theory solve the graph realization problem.
प्रिंकस को ले जाओ ना यार एक बार।
अरे मैं एक बार लेक्चर ले रहा हूँ यार,
सुन नहीं रहा है गुन्नू भाई के, चले यार, रो मत यहाँ पे। गुन्नू पापा का काम चल रहा है, रो रहा जरूरी है क्या? मम्मी दे तो रही है, जा कह रही है, जा।
तो इनका एक बार बोल दो ना यार।
एक बार जाना यार गुन्नू, एक बार पापा को पढ़ा लेने दो यार, बीच में मत बोलो कि रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है। जा मेरा अच्छा बेटा, क्या नाम मानता, जा तुम बाहर से लगा दो बाहर। नहीं मैं कह रहा हूँ बाहर से लगा दो बेटा। हाँ कितनी देर में आओगी? मैं खुलवा लूंगा किसी।
The Havel-Hakimi algorithm, it says in a graph is solve the graph realization problem. That is the answer the following question. Given a finite list of non-negative integer, there is simple graph such a degree so exactly the list. So degree sequence is a list of number that for each vertex of graph state how many numbers it has. Simply you understand this algorithm by simple. Let's suppose this example. How it is possible or not by using Havel-Askew theorem. First step is simply arrange the degree sequence in the decreasing order. Then first step is 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 3, 1. Next step is 4, 3, 3, 4, 7. Next step is then you check the degree, remove the one vertex. Remove the one vertex. If you remove the one vertex from the graph, then always all the other vertex have a degree decrease by 1. Then it have a degree 5, then it becomes 4, then it becomes 3, then it becomes 2, then it becomes 2, or it becomes 0. Then if there is no decreasing order, then again arrange it. Otherwise again remove the one vertex, remove 5, then remove the 5 degree, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, and here is 0. So it is not possible. So it is not a valid sequence. And again we check by some other property. 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 4, 17 plus 4, 21, 21 plus 3, 24, 24, 28, total sum is 29. So it is not a valid sum. Next we see this property in this case. 3, 3, 3, 3 and 2. By removing this vertex, degree is 2, 2, 2, 1. By removing this 1, 1, 1. By removing 1, 0 and 1. And again it is not possible because 1 degree is always left. If the degree sequence is valid, then always result becomes in the finals all the vertex have a degree 0, 0, 0, then it is valid, otherwise it is not valid. Let's suppose which we say, see the other example. In this case 6, 6, 6, 6, 4, 3, 3, 0. Then first we remove 6 degree, then it becomes 5, 5, 5, 3, 2, 2 and 0. 5, remove 6 degree, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is left, so it is not possible sequence. Let's check another case. In this case, if we remove the degree 6, then becomes 4, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, and it is again 2. Next, if we remove 4, then no. First we uh, first we again arrange this, then it becomes 4, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Then remove one vertex 4, it becomes 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then remove 3, becomes 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Then again arrange it, it becomes 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Remove 1, becomes 0, 1, 0, 0. Then it is not a valid possible sequence, because here 1 degree is left. Let's suppose we using this algorithm in the second case. First we arrange is 5, 4, 4, 3, 2. Then first we decrease the degree. Here again it is not possible. The following lists are the degree of all the vertices of the graph. Then calculate the valid. In this case, again we check the valid sequence, it is possible or not. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is in the 4 degree, it is possible or not. First 4, 3, 2, 1. Then remove 4, it is not possible. Next is 3. Second, first we arrange. First we uh, uh, arrange in a descending order. First 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. It is not possible, because in the 5 there are total 5 vertex and the degree of one vertex is 7. How it is possible? Then it is again not possible. Second, and in this case 8, 8 is possible, it is again not possible. In the 6, it is again not possible. I think this question is not complete. Let's suppose this is a gate question. Is going the degree sequence of a nodes is the degree of the which of the sequence is a valid, cannot be the degree, cannot. So in this, first we check the first case 7, 6, 5, 4, 4. 7, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. First we remove 7, then it becomes 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1, 0. Next remove 5, then becomes 3, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. Next remove 3, then it becomes 1, 1, 0, 0. Next we remove 1, then becomes 0, 0, 0, 0. Then first is the valid. Second is Next is 4 times 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 3, 3, 2, 2. It is possible not or not? We must check. First we remove the degree 6, then becomes 5, 5, 5, 2, 2, 6. Then it is 1 and 2. Then arrange it. Then becomes 5, 5, 5, 2, 2, 2, 1. Then remove 5. Then it becomes 4, 4, 1, 1, 1, 0. No, it becomes 1, only 5 degrees. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it is a 5. Next, remove 4. Then it becomes 3, 0, 0, 0, and it is 1. Then arrange it. 3, 3, 1, 0, 0. It is not possible. Then second must be in the answer. Then first is the correct, then this option is wrong, and second only the D option is must be correct. Then we check the first we check the another case. Let's suppose in the case in the third case 7, 6, 6, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2. First you remove 7 degree, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next remove 5, then it becomes 4, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. 5 no? 4, 2, 2, 1. It must be 1. Then arrange again. Then it becomes 4, 2, 2, 1, 1, 0. Then remove 4 degree. It becomes 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Then remove 1. Then again becomes 0. The first and third are valid. Second and fourth are invalid. Then last option is the correct answer. Next question. First you read this and solve it. An order n tuple d1, d2, dn with d1 either equal or greater than d2 is called graphical if there exists a simple undirected graph with n vertices have a degree, then which of the following 6 tuple is not graphic? Simply in this case we simply check which is possible or not. First one have all have there are 5 vertex and all have the same degree. One, it is possible, it is never possible. Then first option is wrong. Second, same case, all have the same degree, and 2, then it is again. Let's suppose we make a 36. In this case 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B option is a possibility. B option is a correct, but first is a wrong answer. And third one is 2 has a degree 0, 0. Again it is not possible. Never it is a possible. Let's suppose for 0, 0, if you want to increase, if we, in this case we increase the degree. Let's suppose 33100. So we must be increase 2 degree, then it becomes 4 4 3 1 1 1 simply, and in this case it becomes 4. We increase only 1 degree. uh, in this case we increase the 2 degree, it becomes 4 2 1 1 1 1. So it is possible or not? Not graphic में, not graphic means first option, only one option is the correct answer, A. These are also correct because if we increase the degree, let's suppose इधर से 3 degree remove करो, क्या होगा 2 2 1 0 0, then again remove degree 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 को remove करा तो it is a possible sequence, and in this case if we remove the 3 degree then it becomes 1 1 1 0 0 1 0, then again remove, then these are the valid sequence, only first option is the wrong answer. So this algorithm construct a special solution if one exists to prove that one cannot find a positive answer. This construction based on it is a recursive algorithm that is published by the Havel 1955 and later by Hakimi 1962. So we say this algorithm is Havel-Hakimi theorem. And next we discuss the some popular graph. That is a very important graph. First one is the bipartite graph. Bipartite graph. Bipartite means bi means two. So in which bipartite means if we divide the graph into two parts. In this case, these are the one set and these vertex are the different set. So this type of case is bipartite graph. So a graph GV is called bipartite graph if its vertex set VG can be partitioned into two non-empty disjoint, two non-empty. तो हमें ब्रेक भी करना है और क्या करना है, नॉन एम्प्टी भी ना हो, मीन्स there is at least one vertex in the set, and disjoint means both are different in the different set. Subset B1 and B2 G in such a way that each as E has a one endpoint in the one set and another endpoint in the another set. Then the partition V1 unit is called the bipartition of the G. And next there is a complete bipartite graph. A bipartite graph GV is called the complete bipartite graph if every vertex in the first partition is connected to every vertex in the second partition, denoted by KMN. So complete bipartite graph is always represented by the K, M, comma N. K, M, K, K, M, comma N. K, M, comma N is a representation of the complete bipartite graph. So K, where M is the number, M is the set of vertex that in the one set, and N is the set of another vertex. K, M, comma, N. These, this is a case of complete biotite graph. In this case, it is a becomes, it is simply K 4 5, K 4 comma 5. So it is a simply complete biotite graph because every vertex in the first partition is connected to every vertex in the, all the vertex should be, should have the edges. So in this case, this is a complete biotite graph. Again, we discuss again next topic in the next lecture.